Baby. I say this thing why they follow you talk all these days. See, now only you I want the date for this life. Now only you I want love. Now only you. I don't get anybody why I want love for again. Which one? The one where I say my name we better have. Forget that one. Hey, you know I love you. I love you now. I need the double date for life. Now only you ever. Why I go dey lie for you? I no go lie for you. Okay, I don't tell you lie. As we deal like this, that one why I say my name we better have. He don't finish. It's over. It's over between us like that. As you are saying it. Segun.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Wait. I go call you. What's my phone they do with?
Oh my days, you know more worry to your love.
Hello, baby. Wait, the phone. No, I was on the phone with my business partner.
Phone call?
Yeah, it was a business call.
Phone call?
Business call, yes. No, nah. Yes, it's Mrs. Nkechi.
What?
From Nkechi Nigeria Limited.
Hey!
We are on business discussion. Wait. It's not your own better half. It's one better half Nigeria Limited, another company.
Ha!
No, it's about contract. Baby, wait.
Wait,
now it's not me. It's Rondo. Hello, wait, I can explain. Wait, hello?
Jesus!
It's over. It's over.
Number you're trying to call is currently switched off.
Rondo. Over. Over.
Right.